How to connect Zebronics Soundbar to TV with HDMI cable. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Zebronics Soundbar to TV with an HDMI cable. So to get started, go ahead and check HDMI ARC compatibility. Ensure your TV has an HDMI ARC or eARC port. Your Zebronics soundbar must also support HDMI ARC models like Zebronics 900DO. Connect the HDMI cable. So use an HDMI 1.4 or higher cable, and then plug one end into the HDMI ARC port on your TV. Plug the other end into the HDMI ARC port on the Zebronics soundbar. And then after that, switch soundbar to HDMI mode. Use the input button on the soundbar remote and toggle until you reach HDMI mode. After that, enable HDMI CEC on your TV. So go to your TV settings, General, External Device, Manager, and turn on HDMI CEC, also called as AnyNet Plus, Simplink, Bravia Sync, depending on brand, and set audio output to HDMI ARC or external speaker. Then after that, go ahead and test your setup. Play any video or music on your TV, and the sound should now come from your Zebronics soundbar. Use your TV's remote to control volume if CAC is enabled. And that is how you can basically connect Zebronics soundbar to TV with HDMI cable.